Hey guys, back with another video. It is Wednesday. I forgot what the date is. Is it the 12th? Hold on. I don't know what the date is. The 11th? I don't know what it is. It's March. It's Wednesday. But anyway, today is Wednesday debt day. And I realized I'm going to have to find a way to do my debt portion another way. Because my rent check didn't go through this month, and so what I'm going to do, I've been focusing on paying off other bills, so now I'm going to have to focus on making sure my rent is paid first and then focus on the other bills. So it's going to be the rent, the car, and then Amazon, because I'm trying to get out of debt. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to try to do now, I'm going to do like a cash envelope for my rent. So every month, every week, I'm going to go to the bank and I'm going to take out and put it in an envelope for my rent. And then I'm going to pay my rent that way. And so today we're going to pay our rental insurance that has to be paid. And then the remainder we're going to put toward our rent. So I'm going to show you in a minute me putting the money into the envelope. Okay guys, this is the breakdown of my pay today, which is March the 12th, 2024, Wednesday. My pay out today with my job was $444.72. Me and my daughter went to Chick-fil-A to get us some dinner, which was $24.39. And I went on and I paid my rental insurance for the year, which is $287.43, with left me a remainder of $132.90, which I'm going to go tomorrow to the bank and take out that money and put it into the rental envelope, which I was telling you about. Let me see if I can get the envelope and show you guys. Hold for 1 second. Let me see if I can. Okay, now this is the envelope that I'm going to start keeping my rent and electric. And the reason I have rent and electric, sorry guys, sorry about that. The reason I have rent and electric together is because, let me get this phone so it won't be shaking. It's because where I live, they include electric bill with our rent each month. So that's why you see it. So I pay it together. So I'm going to focus, like I was saying earlier, I'm going to focus more, number 1, rent, number 2, car, and then number 3, Amazon, and then the other bills come after that. And that's how we're going to do from now on. Anyway, you guys be blessed. I'll see you in the next video.